Here we go. So this is a Gulfstream vintage cruiser. I saw one of these in a magazine and I really wanted to see one in person. This is actually pretty cool. Let me show you why. First of all, the graphics on the side are simply that, they're graphics, vinyl lettering. But I love the chrome hubcaps on the wheels with the white walls. This is an ASDEL equipped unit, which means this is going to have the composite sidewalls, so you're not going to have any delamination from this. The model number is the 23 BHS, which stands for bunkhouse. But I got to show you the inside of this because this is really, really cool. So the interior of this unit is old school. It definitely is designed to take you back to the good old-fashioned days of RVing. A lot of this golden oak colored wood cabinetry, it has a very, very classic feel to it. Now I know a lot of people are kind of traditionalists in the RV sense, and they're looking for a unit that's going to feel as if they're really camping, as opposed to something just designed around pure aesthetics and, you know, that luxury feel. This definitely accomplishes that well. It has that white racing stripe going through the sofa. Same thing with the dinette set here. Very, very cool. So this particular unit doesn't have technically a master bedroom. The way it works is you close the sofa, you drop down the Murphy bed, and it is a queen size bed up front with these curtains that close to give you some privacy in the front of the coach. In the back of the coach, you have bunk beds here. So you have bunk beds on the top and bottom. They're reasonable size. I mean, they could actually fit an adult pretty comfortably. They look like they're about 6.5 feet long. And you got two of them. Bathroom. Gotta love this wood paneling. Again, very reminiscent of classic RVing. Stand-up shower. You know, there's a good amount of room. Oftentimes in a coach like this, you're not going to have much room for something like a shower or a bath. And in this particular coach, they give you a pretty nice sized stand-up shower, comparably speaking, that is. I mean, if you look at other coaches, it's usually going to be that awkward kind of compact tub that you have to step up and into. And the shower in this is pretty nice. Stainless steel accented microwave, hood top and stove oven. Dometic refrigerator freezer combo. Again, just a really cool unit. I kind of wish the exterior trim wasn't vinyl lettering, that it was actually some type of either composite or real wood to really give you that feel of real wood trim. Little storage area right here. There's your entertainment setup, TV mount, and then you have one slide on this unit. So this wall right here to the left is a slide out, and it gives you more room for your dinette. So total sleeping space in this unit, let's just say 2 up front, 3, 4 here, 5, 6. You could probably sleep a total of 6 people in this unit. This would be an ideal size unit to tow behind a half-ton truck or maybe even a large SUV. This isn't going to be an overly heavy design. Let's take a look at the numbers. So total cargo capacity on this particular unit is going to be 1,556 pounds. And the gross vehicle weight rating of this trailer is 6,080 pounds. So total combined, you could haul this behind a half-ton truck pretty safely. Something like a Nissan Titan XD, Ford F-150, Chevy 1500, Ram 1500 would be an ideal tow vehicle for a trailer this size. Dual axles. It has a pretty good size pass-through storage. It's, you know, probably about 13, 14 inches tall and about 22 to 24 inches wide. Actually, probably closer to 26 inches wide. So it definitely has good size pass-through storage on it. Stabilizer jacks up front. Has your 110 power here, USB connection, and cable antenna connection. So this would be to connect to a TV so you can watch cable TV or antenna while you're out back. I like the taillights. I like that oval-shaped design. Really nice. Diamond plate on the bottom. Here are all your connections. There's your cable satellite connection and your 30 amp connection. Dump valves. I am not 100% sure how much they're asking for this, so I will post the price on the video by the time you see it. But if I had to guesstimate, I would probably say maybe in the mid-20s. That's my guess. We'll see. Now here is a smaller version, different color scheme. This is the 19 MBS, single axle, same chrome hubcap. It's got that light blue, white racing stripe setup. Definitely a smaller unit. It has no slides. Looks like you have the ability to sleep maybe 2 kids on this dinette when converted into a bed. And then you have the same size queen Murphy bed at the very front. So you fold the couch flat, fold that down, and that's your bed. Again, no slides on this unit, so the kitchenette area is part of the same living area right here. The dinette doesn't slide out and the kitchen doesn't slide out, so you have this narrow path right here. Nice pull-out drawers, that's a nice touch. And then up top here you have your TV mount. All your entertainment center connections here. And on this side you have your entertainment controls. This unit has a good amount of cabinetry. It really does. It's got a lot of storage. Coming into the bathroom area. It's got a pretty good sized bathroom as well, I've got to say. So you have your sink and everything right here. Very, very large closet. This is nice. Got your medicine cabinet there. More storage above the toilet. And same shower as the other unit. Again, guys, it's actually a pretty good sized shower. Has a nice fan on the ceiling here. You know, this would be a good size coach for somebody who just wants to go out on the weekends with the family and maybe go hunting or just needs a nice little place to stay. I wouldn't say you'd want to live in either of these full time, but this is just a good place to relax to. And if you guys remember the 3 categories of RVs that I talked about, you have a relax RV, a retreat RV, and a residential RV. Relax RVs are going to be something like this. Small, kind of purpose-built for just getting into, being able to cook a meal, have a place to cool off your food, take a shower, and sleep. Retreat RVs are going to be kind of like the other one we looked at, where it's a little larger, has a slide out, has room for more people, has dedicated bunk beds for the family. And a residential style is going to be one that mimics more of a condo or a fifth wheel, that type of setup where you plan on possibly living in it or staying in it for an extended period of time comfortably. Real quickly, this one has a cargo capacity of right under 1,000 pounds, 957 pounds. And let's take a look at the gross vehicle weight rating of this unit. This one is 4,420 pounds. So you could definitely haul something this size behind a half-ton pickup truck, no problem at all. Anyways, guys, I just quickly wanted to show you both of these 2 vintage cruisers by Gulfstream. I'm really impressed with them just because they're kind of that minimalist, at the same time classic feel when you're inside of them. I'll show the pricing in the description, and you know, quite frankly, these are really, really cool little setups, especially if you have a half-ton truck and you're looking for an appropriate size coach to pull behind it. As always, guys, I thank you for watching my channel. If you haven't had a chance, please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and we'll talk to you again soon.